To tackle the most mentally and physically demanding tasks, your customers need to fuel their minds and bodies with Creatine Acetyl-L-Carnitine Energy Plus. We asked life extension customers about their energy levels, and 35% of respondents said they experience both mental and physical fatigue that impacts their productivity. Creatine helps support both exercise performance and body composition. In one study, participants improved high-intensity task performance by up to 20% after adding creatine to their routine. And in another study, acetyl-L-carnitine was shown to help encourage mental and physical energy, plus overall cognitive function. Both nutrients help the brain and body cells produce ATP, and ATP is essential for supporting numerous biological processes that keep us healthy. Our Creatine and Acetyl-L-Carnitine Energy Plus formula combines these two cellular supporting ingredients to help fight general physical and mental fatigue. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, vegetarian, and mixes easily with protein shakes, juices, water, or their favorite beverage. So help your customers show off their brains and brawn with the energy they need from one daily scoop of Creatine and Acetyl-L-Carnitine Energy Plus.